And I'm back with a quick video on how to implement conversion tracking for phone calls to your website for Google Ads using Google Tag Manager. So the main objective for this, what we're looking to achieve today, is making it possible to be able to track calls to these numbers, a mobile number, office number, once people have clicked on an ad through to your website. So you need to make sure that Google Tag Manager is installed first, and you need to have an active AdWords account. Luckily, Google have made this super simple to do nowadays using Google Tag Manager. So what you have to do is go into Tools and Settings, go to Conversions, and then you have to click Track New Conversion, which is the plus sign there. Then what you do is go to Phone Calls, click on calls to a phone number on your website to start with. Name your conversion. I would say for assigning a value, not to assign a value unless people are going to buy directly through the phone call, which is normally highly unlikely. You want to make sure that it's only counted one time, and then you also want to make sure the length of the call is determined for it to be counted as a conversion. So I would put 30 seconds. For me, that would be a qualified call as a conversion. Then conversion window, 30 days. I mean, it's okay to keep as default for this because people are only going to click through to this once they've clicked on the ad. Including conversions, yes. Attribution model, last click, yes. They should all be set by default. Then what you do is go to create and continue. Use Google Tag Manager. And then what you need to do then is go in to Google Tag Manager, add a new tag, name it. It's always best to name these correctly to begin with, otherwise it can get really messy. You go to tag configuration, type in the search bar here, Google Ads conversion tracking. And then all you need to do is copy in the conversion ID. And the conversion label. Then you go down to the triggering and make sure that fires on all pages. As a general rule, if you want it only to fire on specific pages, you can do that from inside the triggering option there. Then what you do is save. Okay. I think what you also want to do here is after that's been tracked, you want to make sure that the other type of phone call is being tracked too, which would be clicks on your number on your mobile website. So this is just another method of tracking calls that you want to make sure is implemented, so you're accurately tracking every single area of inbound calls from your campaigns. So again, follow the same pattern. Name the conversion. Don't assign a value. Again, you want to count one. Most of these settings, unless it's really campaign specific, can stay the same. And again, create and continue. Use Google Tag Manager and repeat the process again. Name the conversion. Google Ads conversion tracking. Conversion ID. Conversion label. Triggering on all pages. So then, boom, again, you save that. Press next here and done. What's always best to do here is to make sure the tag's firing correctly, is going to preview stage, on Google Tag Manager. It's always best to do this before going live so you don't have any mistakes. So what this will do here, as long as it's all configured correctly, is bring up a preview tab, and you can see what tags are being fired on the page. So you can see here we've got Google Ads calls the site, and Google Ads clicks to a number on your website, which are the two that we've just installed there. Let's check the IDs are the same. Okay. Okay, so that's all working correctly. And all you have to do then is go back into Google Tag Manager, submit, make sure you've got a version name installed, and then what you need to do then is publish it. And that's it. That's successfully installed call tracking for Google Ads. If you've got any questions or you want to know a bit more about how we can help you with your pay-per-click campaigns, just click the link in the summary and we'll be able to help you by jumping on a call. Thank you.